Ooh, all right. We got pocket chart players right here. 190 cards, all pre-made. This is a 28 by 43 pocket chart with 190 cards, all pre-made, ready to rock and roll. Boom. Whoa. The pocket chart. Nice. Beautiful looking pocket chart. This is a big pocket chart with all these little pockets. Look at the details. You have all these pockets right here. You have places to mount them. Very cool, very easy. Pocket chart right here. So many cards. You have 190 of these cards. There's literally 190 of these cards. So many cards. You want unicorn? Boom. Unicorn. Cards. So many cards. Octopus. Look, pig card. Yo, animal card. There's so many cards. There's more right here. There's 190 of these cards. Thumbs up cards. Fish card. 190 cards. Pocket chart full of cards. More cards. These are numbers. These are letters. You want animals? You have animals. You want numbers? You have numbers. 190 cards. Pre-made. They're all good to go. Look at all these cards. You buy the pocket chart. You get all the cards. Look at all the cards. That's a lot of cards. So many cards. Octopus card. The sun and the princess. The star card. La. What letters missing? La. They're so fun. Ibra. It comes with 190 cards. All pre-made. You can easily hang this chart on the wall. That is a pocket chart. So cool. So easy. You can put the card on just like that. Boom. There's a star. There's a sun. There's a princess card. Octopus card right there. Star card. You can put the cards any way you want. There's a lamb. There's a zebra. So many cards. So many cards. A lot of stuff. We got the number cards right here. Look at all the cards you have there. This pocket chart is loaded with cards. Look at all these cards right here. Oh, yeah.